Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update, 190 for Monday, 14th of July, 2025. As always, you're very welcome here. Just remember that you're always responsible for your own trading decisions. We'll have a little look at Bitcoin here. So I've got two charts here. So I have this is a monthly chart. This is the weekly chart. Okay. So firstly, with the monthly, I was already kind of looking to be long Bitcoin here. Okay, my TMM monthly move session gave me a signal. Okay, at the start of this month, based upon last month's price action. So I was already looking to be bullish on that. Okay, and then those of you who joined us last week, I've been talking for a while. If we switch the weekly chart, I've been talking for a while that 100k was kind of that line in the sand, namely. I had to see price stay above it for it to give me any confidence that it had legs. If it was to fail, and it could have because we were getting lower highs here. If 100k broke, I thought we'd be down to 90, but we didn't. And once again, we printed a bullish inside bar. And then last week, okay, that's what I said for those of you joining here last week, that what we had here was this is it's what I would call a bullish momentum pin bar. Okay, it's with the trend, but importantly, what I said last week was this was the highest weekly close in Bitcoin forever. Okay, this was an all-time Bitcoin weekly close, and after my monthly signal and after the sort of bounce off 100k and after this kind of really bullish weekly close, that's what I said last week was that I thought that that is not bearish, that is a bullish signal. um but even I was not expecting it to move as strong as it has done there. Okay, from where we were, closing about 109, trading up towards north of 122 this morning. Okay, probably even a little bit higher. I didn't expect that move to be as strong. Now I'm sure there'll be lots of people who said, yeah, they knew that was coming all along, and well, all right, fair play to you. I can only trade what I see in front of me, but that is bullish and is probably also another indication that the kind of risk on sentiment, regardless of all the tariff stuff that's going on, that kind of risk on sentiment is we are back in risk on world. Okay, so it's just another confirmation of that. And if you look across pretty much most of those cryptocurrencies, and there are people far more expert and better than me at them. I'm just a trader who looks at charts and trades what I see. There is bullishness breaking out across the board. Okay, and clearly Bitcoin is the leader on that. And as I say, once again, once you're into a good trend, you don't want to fight it. You just want to look at it. Is there a way that I can possibly surf it? And that's what you should be looking to do with those at the moment.